Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome back to Umkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Ngakhohlwa ke you guys ukuthi usubscribe, like, share video. Thank you so much. So, lana ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume you guys ngodaba ke lomunye laphana wabe izingane zesithembu when it comes to kaMseleku, izingane zesithembu. Khumbula ukuthi uVuyokazi angazi she's still part of izingane zesithembu because singinesikhathi ngalibuka uhlelo you guys. Kodwa ke khumbula udaba laphana akakhuluma ngalo ukuthi uVuyokazi akasekho nompumelelo Mseleku. uVuyokazi wasitholele elinye isoka you guys okwathi uxolana isabelo eliuchef somewhere is it Dubai or UK, something like that. Wathanda kakhulu uVuyokazi nale soka like you guys kwathi hayibo akasekho nompumelelo Mseleku usemove on now uxolani isabelo, something like that. Manje muva nje ngibona ke ku trenda udaba laphana ukhunya ngoVuyokazi umama wezingane zikaMpumelelo Mseleku ukuthi ngathi ubekade lotsholwa yilo mfana lobathi uxolani isabelo you guys. Ngiyabona laphana mangafaka lesi sithombe becoming Mrs S. Mrs Sabelo. Kuningi laphana ngoVuyokazi you guys, she's been trending, okay? uVuyokazi gathi uselotsho, but according to me akukudala musezwana nalo bhuti, akukudala. So I do not know if she's sure of what she's doing or mhlambe they're just cloud chasing or what. Uyalotshola njalo because kwaba ne drama laphana umama wengane zika Xolani Sabelo eza laphana ezorasa ethi ngazi ukungena kaVuyokazi endodeni yakhe, something like that. Kwaba khona umsindonyana laphana ngiyakhumbula mangabe ngaze ngenza ivideo ngibona ukuthi ngathi kukhona idrama nyane ekhoyo ukuthi uqhamuka umama wengane zikaXolani Sabelo kwazi uqhamuka omunye wathi uXolani Sabelo bakolode imali zabo kwakuningi. Abantu bethi Vuyokazi from Mpumelelo Mseleku to this drama, you know. Khosa ke mase ngibona ukuthi ugelo uyewalotshola ngathi ayibuwe. Okay, but anyways you guys, umntana abantu melotsholwe mina for I'm really happy for her. Kulesi sithombe ukuthi nangu uKotweni uMzansi, what a humble soul. I really love uVuyokazi you guys. I'm just not sure with this Xolani Sabelo guy. Kodwa uVuyokazi is honestly my favorite show. So laphana ku trending ngane zesithembu laphana on Twitter ngiyabona phezulu otrenda kakhulu uVuyokazi. Mpumelelo Mseleku ex girlfriend uVuyokazi got lowered today by her short term boyfriend Xolani Sabelo. That's a short term boyfriend. So for me bengizibuza ukuthi ayibo. Okay. So omunye laphana uTheko, this is pre-recorded, probably what you see now happened 6 months ago already. uVuyokazi tying the knot this week doesn't mean she broke up last week with Mpumelelo. Yona yenye izinto engiziunderstand ukuthi into masiyibona on the show namhlanje lento yayenzeka kudala angithi you guys vele they obviously record sisuke nasibuka izinto abazirecorda kudala thina besizibuka manje. So uqinisile lo ukuthi this is pre-recorded, okay? Probably what you see now happened 6 months ago into ikanjalo. So ke kungenzeka naleyo kulobolana nje and everything izinto esezenzeka. Angazi, someone said Vuyo is a gone girl. Vuyokazi is South African, age at 21, something like that. She's a 21-year-old. She looks so pretty in that pink, okay? Nembali nje ezinhle laphana you guys. So kuthiwa ulotsholwe ile soka lakhe ukuthi uXolani Sabelo. She is married for real. She really wanted to be a wife and God answered her prayers. May she forever be happy. So ithombe laphana ezikaVuyokazi njengoba trender. I'm reading for you on Twitter imbono yabantu and everything you guys. Ngeke ngabona abanye bethu Musa Mseleku is bitter. Musa Mseleku reacted to Vuyokazi nciweni lobola, and then also Mpumelelo Mseleku no Tirelo nabo kuthiwa ke they reacted to this marriage yaka Vuyokazi. Angazi ke you guys ukuthi for me ngibona ngathi yonke into yenzeka ngokusheshsha, but ke asazi ukuthi yenzeka nini. But congratulations to Vuyokazi you guys. Mangabe ngempela osebuye washadana nalesoka lakhe uXolani Sabelo okubukeka ngathi naye ngumuntu onedrama nje yabafazi. Mpumelelo Mseleku ex-girlfriend uVuyokazi says she wakes up with joy in her heart after leaving isithembu somjolo saka Mpumelelo Mseleku, because that was something else noMpumelelo that side. So let us hope ngapha nako kaXolani Sabelo akuzokuba nedrama eningi. Ngoba there's always drama you guys. I do not know. Kuningi. So uVuyo is a gone girl. uVuyo ngathi uselotsholo sethethwe yile ndoda yakhe entsha uXolani Sabelo. look at God doing what he does best. Just when Mpumelelo kept thinking girl will come back because she has 2 kids with him, and then God said, no, not today, Satan. Hope Tirero is taking ama notes. Hayi ayaphela kanjalo ke indaba kaMpumelelo. These are people on Twitter but hayi uMpumelelo msele kungathi ngibonile enye ivideo nje iclip nyana ngathi akakeneme at all uMpumelelo msele kwenikini ikhanda njengathi uthi hayibo kwenzekani kanti ugeli useyalotsholwa njalo ngisathi mhlawumbe uzobuya ngoba umama wengane zami kanti usehambile nje ngempela kanjalo nje. Congratulations to Vuyokazi guys kuthiwa ke uselo. But anyways, for me, I was just trying to go through what the fans were saying there, you guys, on Twitter as they are discussing Vuyokazi's marriage, something like that, you guys. I think people are saying they thought Vuyokazi will stick with them since she's got 2 kids. Again, laphana kanti Vuyokazi, you guys, uzositholela indoda ize enabantwana ababili but babumsele was found shaking, Mpumelelo was found shaking into ikanjalo, you guys. Angazi, you guys, but lawa ke ngama fans waka Vuyokazi but good for Vuyokazi. Look, you guys, kudala bethi Vuyokazi awuphume kuleyo ndawo ugcine ephumile uVuyokazi nadisoka lakhe ke ukuthiwa lise UK njalo lingu chef into ikanjalo kodwa naye ke une drama thizeni but asethembe, you guys, uzoba comfortable ngendlela engcono than lapha kamsele ku idrama ebikhona laphana even regarding uTirelo. There was just a lot asethembeke kule ndawo. That side there won't be too much drama again. Now uzophumula kunini usokola lapha kaMpumelelo msele kabantu girl uyifunani lengane. People were not saying umfunani baba mntana. People were saying uyifunani leyo ngane le awuhambe uyofuna indoda ebonakala uyeke lo mntana loyo into ekanjalo, guys. But angazi ke, you guys, these are the fans laphana ka Twitter bekhuluma ke ngokushada ka Vuyokazi ilobolo lakhe, you guys. Ezwabona ama pictures kuphingi kuhle nje uphethe izimbali ezinhle ugeli kuthiwa ke she was lobolati by a short term boyfriend. Asethembe uye wathatha isikhathi sokuthi amazi ke loxola lesabelo, guys, bazane kangcono ethi nomise lotshola umuntu amaziyo angafiki nje namhlanje sasesiyalotsholwa evuke sasesevumbulule ezinye nje ezinzima ukudlula ezakamseleko. All the best to Vuyokazi, you guys. Ngimfisela okuhle kodwa and yeah man, you guys, thank you so much ukuthi ibuke le video, subscribe, like, then sizobonana futhi ke video elandela mhlambe sobe sesikwazi kangcono sebesigcwaliseke information engcono ukuthi kwenziwani ke kwenzakalani laphana when it comes to Vuyokazi nendoda yakhe ke uXolani Sabelo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uwatch le video, uyibuke le video. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe njalo. Mangaba ka subscribe ndakaba ulindeni. Subscribe, ulike, ushare, kubalekile lokho, you guys. Sizobonana futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.